Today I'm going to show you how to play this mantra, Hattuti number 13. Now, in this video I'm going to break this mantra down, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how this can be applied in Kirtan as a long tehai. So, this mantra is using a lot of backward movements of the right hand. So we're starting with the thumb and then ending with the thumb. So, it goes like this. Ge, open. Dha, 4 fingers. Gi, open on the big side. Ti, thumb. Ni, ti. So let's just go through that. Ge, da, gi, ti, ni, ti. Ge, da, gi, ti, ni, ti. Say the mantra as you play it. Ge, da, gi, ti, ni, ti. Ge, da, gi, ti, ni, ti. So we're going to break down that small part. Giti niti. Gi, ti, ni, ti. 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 So keep practicing this, and you can also try to increase your speed with it. I'm going to demonstrate medium speed. Giti niti, giti niti, giti niti, giti niti. So like that, you can gradually increase in speed. Now we put it together. Ge da giti niti, ge da giti niti. Ge da giti niti, ge da giti niti. Now, the rest of that part. Ge da giti niti, ge da giti niti, giti niti. Ge da giti niti, ge da giti niti. So it's just kind of permutations and combinations of that. Geda giti niti, geda giti niti, giti niti, geda giti niti, geda giti niti. So once you know how to play geda and giti niti, then it's just a question of memorizing the order there. So I'll do it slowly. Geda giti niti, geda giti niti, giti niti. Geda, geda, giti, niti. Geda, geda, giti, niti. Geda, giti, niti. Geda, giti, niti. Giti, niti. Geda, geda, giti, niti. Geda, geda, giti, niti. Geda, giti, niti. Geda, giti, niti. Giti, niti. Geda, geda, giti, niti. Geda, geda, giti, niti. So that's a medium speed there. Now, the second half of the mantra is very similar, but you're going to play closed on the big side. You're going to add some closed sounds there. So, geda, kiti, niti, geda, kiti, niti, kiti, niti, geda, geda, kiti, niti, geda, geda, kiti, niti. Again, a little slower. Geda, kiti, niti, geda, kiti, niti, kiti, both together. So, geda giti niti, geda giti niti, giti niti, geda geda giti niti, geda geda giti niti, geda giti niti, geda giti niti, giti niti, geda geda giti niti, geda geda giti niti, geda giti niti. Okay, so keep practicing it. Try to gradually increase your speed. I was demonstrating the faster speed. Now, it takes some time to get there, and quality is much more important than quantity. So you want to start it slow and always gradually increase. And you can start it at slow speed and maintain that speed for some time, then increase it a little bit and maintain that speed for some time, increase a little bit, maintain, like that. When you're practicing a Hattuti, it's recommended to spend 20 minutes on it. Especially if you're at an intermediate level in playing. So you want to spend about 20 minutes on it, starting slow, first 5 minutes slow, then medium, then fast, and then, your maximum, close to your maximum speed, like the maximum speed that you can sustain for 5 minutes. Now, it's okay to hold back a little bit. When we're playing Mridanga a lot, we don't want to completely exhaust ourselves when we're playing Kirtan or when we're practicing, because we always want to have some energy left to play in Kirtan, because I know many of you who are serious about playing Mridanga play Mridanga every day in Kirtan. So if you push too hard all the time when you're practicing, it takes away your energy from being able to play in Kirtan. So you don't want that. So, even when you're playing really fast, you can go close to your maximum. I would say it should feel like maybe 80% of your maximum speed, and just maintain that, and then you will continue making progress without tiring yourself out too much. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'm going to leave a link in the video description to the second video where I'm going to show you how to apply this in Kirtan. Alright, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.